Hey folks, Jeff Ruska here at the new Janky Workshop. Thank you for tuning in today. Today we don't have a build video. Today we have an unboxing video for one of my favorite sci-fi shows. I showed a couple months ago that I did the Loot Crate unboxing for the Expanse, which is another one of my favorite sci-fi shows. But one of my all-time favorites, which ranks right up there with the Expanse, is Battlestar Galactica. So I just got my crate today, and so this is me unboxing it. Enjoy. If you'd like to see more unboxing videos like this, please comment down below, give us a like, subscribe, all that kind of cool stuff. So let's get to it. Today, my friends, we are going to be unboxing the Loot Crate Battlestar Galactica kit here. This time, I did not open it ahead of time, so I have no idea what to look for in here. So let's peek, shall we? You get to look even before I do. Oh, what do we got? Oh, ooh, I need a new long sleeve shirt. Actually, that is fantastic. Oh my God, that T-shirt. Ha! Oh, that's so cool. By your command, Battlestar Galactica. That's awesome. Ha! A Cylon hat. That's so cool. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Look at that. K-Thrace. A button. Oh, that's so cool. Ooh. Primus, first in the fleet patch? That's awesome. Battlestar Galactica notebook. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh. Where is my Kniffy that I just had? Where's my Kniffy? This says it is a Viper Mark II 3D blueprint. This is a bonus item. Let's see what it is. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, wow, look at that. That is so awesome. Yes. Frack yes! Loot Sci-Fi is doing a Battlestar Galactica takeover with exclusive collectible and gear. Unbox this crate, remember to watch out for any Cylons. So say we all! That's so awesome. Oh, there's 3 patches in there. Oh, dude, that's cool. See? There's the shirt that we just saw. There's the Viper Mark II. The dad hat. It's called a dad hat. Okay. And then the pre-flight check notebook. Oh, and then the Thrace dog tag pin. Oh, that's so awesome. Well, thank you, Loot Crate. You have made me a happy, happy boy yet again. I'm going to put all this stuff away and set it up in my office and stuff like that. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later.